What does it truly mean for a political leader to seek legitimacy? In the complex ballet of politics, legitimacy is often the cornerstone upon which leaders build their authority and power. As we explore the intricate dance of diplomacy and politics in Southern Africa, the spotlight turns to Zimbabwe and its leader, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, at the upcoming Southern African Development Community, or SADC Summit. Rewind to August last year. Zimbabwe holds its general elections amidst a whirlwind of controversy. Observers from around the world point out multiple violations of both local and regional electoral laws, casting a shadow over the fairness and credibility of the results. The SADC's own electoral observer mission does not shy away from highlighting these discrepancies, stating clearly that the elections did not meet the expected democratic standards set by the community. Fast forward to November 4th, 2023. An extraordinary summit convenes in Luanda, Angola. Despite efforts by Zimbabwean officials to keep the contentious election off the agenda, SADC leaders led by Angolan President João Lourenço and Zambian President Hakainde Hichilema ensure the issue remains a topic of discussion. A subcommittee comprising Angola, Namibia and Tanzania is appointed to delve deeper into the Zimbabwe situation. As discussions unfold, the atmosphere is tense. The Zimbabwean leadership faces resistance, not just from international observers, but from within SADC itself. Diplomats whisper of private, delicate talks taking place, a clear sign of the diplomatic tightrope being walked by all involved. Now, as the 44th SADC Summit approaches, with Zimbabwe set to assume the chairmanship, President Mnangagwa finds himself in a pivotal position. The summit, to be hosted in Harare this August, presents him with a prime opportunity to not only address these controversies, but to potentially steer the narrative in his favour. Reports suggest he is keen to use this platform to sanitize last year's election results and solidify his legitimacy. Behind the scenes, preparations are underway, roads are being spruced up, and the stage is set for Mnangagwa to showcase Zimbabwe as a country moving in the right direction. But the stakes are high. The legitimacy of his leadership hangs in the balance, and the eyes of the region, and indeed the world, are watching closely. In summary, the upcoming SADC Summit is more than just a routine gathering. It is a crucial juncture for President Mnangagwa, a chance to secure his position both domestically and internationally. The decisions made and the discussions held could very well shape the political landscape of Southern Africa for years to come. As leaders converge on Harare, one question remains: will the summit mark a new chapter for Zimbabwe, or will it be yet another missed opportunity to address the deep-seated issues that plague its political arena? Only time will tell.